So we already created a pictograph for the data in this tally chart. Now we're going to work on creating a bar graph. So I have my bar graph template, and I'm going to start by writing the title on the top line. So the title would be second grade's favorite activities. So I'm just going to write that at the top. Okay. Then once my title is written in, I'm going to write my labels. So my labels would be activity, which would go in the bottom because my categories are going to go across this way, and number of votes. This is my other label. Now, I'm going to fill in the categories for the different bars. So the first one would be gardening, and I'm going to skip a space. And the next category would be painting. And the next one would be dancing. And the last category would be swimming. All right, so now is the fun part where we get to draw in our bars. So I'm gonna do this in different colors again. Gardening has 6 tally marks. Oh, I forgot one step actually. You probably all noticed. I forgot to include my scale. Can't really fill in my bars until I have my scale. So I'm gonna make my scale by 1. So that means I'm gonna put a 0 on the bottom and count up by 1 all the way to the top. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So now that I have my scale, I can fill in gardening. So gardening has 6 votes. So I'm going to make my bar with a length of 6 to represent gardening. Painting only has 3 votes. I'm going to choose a different color. It'll go up to 3. And then I'll shade that in. Dancing only has 2 votes. So I'm going to make my bar go up to 2 and shade it in. And then swimming has 5 votes. So I'm going to grab purple, make sure I go up to 5. Right. And color in my bar. And then you're all set. So, as you can see, now that we have our bar graph created, this really helps us understand which are the most popular choices just by looking at the longest bar. Gardening is the most popular, swimming comes in second, then painting and dancing. Have fun creating your bar graph, and we can't wait to see them.